Hello everybody, welcome back, and today also we have another video for you. In this video I will show you how you can share WhatsApp link right there in your mobile phone. But before that, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and start our video. For that purpose, let's make sure what kind of WhatsApp link we would like to share. Right, go ahead, open your WhatsApp. It's gonna basically open this kind of interface with all of the chats over here. So for, let's say you have this group, right? Go ahead, tap on this three dot icon. You will go to this group info, scroll down, tap on this invite via link. Go ahead, tap on this, copy that particular link. Now the link is copied, you can go to your any of the platforms of the social media and go ahead, share that link for that group. But if you would like to share your profile link, even if you go to, let's say we go to our settings, right? So this is, we only have a QR option. We can go ahead, tap on the scan code. If you would like to go ahead, tap on this. Even if you tap on this, we do not have, you can simply go ahead, tap on the share option, which way we will simply be able to share our QR code instead if you would like to share a link for your account. So this is it, guys. This is the options available. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.